Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Crab pot injuries. With all of the factors considered, it is no wonder that crab pot injuries are common and that crab fishing is such a dangerous job. Slick and crowded decks, heavy equipment, long working hours in bad weathers, wrong weathers, and freezing temperatures all conspire to make accidents happen. Whether or not negligence plays a part, crab fishermen may be injured in a number of ways. They may end up with broken bones, sprained, fractures, head injuries, hypothermia and frostbite, vision and hearing loss, back injuries, and even amputations. Fall overboard are among the most dangerous of accidents. A fisherman that could overboard in raw water may be difficult to rescue, and if no one notices until it's too late, he may drown. It happens all too often in the crabbing industry. If you have been injured in any ways while working as a commercial crab fisherman, you have the right to receive compensations. Federal maritime laws guarantees you maintain and cure or medical care as well as living expenses for as long as you have to remain off the job. It also guarantees you further compensation if you qualify as a seaman and you can prove that your employer negligence played even a small role in your accident. Your dependent loved ones are also entitled to compensation if you die on the job. The law covering negligence in a seaman's accident is the genus X. Negligence may occur in a number of forms in crab pot injuries. If your employer did not have all workers adequately trained to work on the vessel, did not keep equipment maintained, or did not provide necessary safety equipment and safety and rescue training, the negligence may be proven to have played a part in your injury. Failing to provide for workers to have enough break during long shift can also be considered negligence if fatigue leads to an accident or if too much exposure to cool air and wind causes hypothermia or frostbite. And then crab pot fatalities. Crab pot injuries are not the only dangers you may face while working in the commercial crabbing industry. Fatalities are not uncommon aboard crab boats. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention found that the highest rate of fatalities occurring in commercial fishing were in shellfish work, which included crabbing. Most recorded fatalities resulted from falls overboard during severe weathers. Those falls were caused by instability of the vessel, conclusions, equipment and fishing gear snagging and pulling someone overboard, slip and falls on decks, or the vessel being hit by a large wave. Overboard deaths are from drowning or hypothermia. If you are the loved one of a crab fisherman who died on the job, you can seek damage through the genus X. The law provides for compensation for dependent such as spouses and children. Compensation is provided for lost wages, future lost wages, funeral costs, and the less tangible costs of pain and suffering if your loved ones work in Alaska. You may also be eligible for compensation through the Alaska Fisherman Fund. This fund has some strict requirements that need to be met and is only to be used, however, if all other avenues for compensation have been exhausted. And then about legal assistance for crab boat injuries and fatalities. Crabbing may be a illustrative job, but it is fraught with danger if you take the risk every day to do this job and to get a decent salary for your family. There is a very real chance you will get injured or even killed. Maritime laws are in place for just this reason. You can expect to get compensation even if your employer is trying to deny your right to that money. The law allows you to file a claim and force your employer or their insurance company to pay what you are owed. Navigating federal maritime law and facing denials of compensation from an employer or insurer can be confusing and frustrating. If you find yourself in this difficult situation, let an experienced maritime lawyer help you figure out which laws apply to you. This lawyer can also work with you and represent you to fight the insurance companies denying you compensation. A lawyer can help you file claims and represent you in court if needed. With the right guidance and experience, you stand the best chance of getting the money you are owed to the full extent that the law allows. The commercial fishing industry is one of the most dangerous of all industry for workers in the U.S. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has collected data on job fatalities, and commercial fishing consistently ranks at the top of this list. Among the various types of commercial fishing, crabbing is the riskiest and most likely to cause injuries and even deaths. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.